Good day fellow trifold riders. Today we are going to unbox, install, and test a seat post clamp. A seat post clamp is a locking device mechanism to lock and secure our seat post. A correct saddle height will give you a comfortable ride, effective and more pedaling power. But what if your seat post clamp keeps on dropping, even you tighten it well? This made me frustrated and I gave up. So I decided to buy this Aceoffix aluminum seat post clamp made of aluminum alloy, CNC made. The weight is only 45 grams. The design is okay, the hook is okay, the lever is okay, everything is okay. I think the nut here is just to keep all the parts together. I think the stainless steel nut here is just to keep all the parts in place, and you still have to use the existing nut or the knob. Okay, now let's begin the installation. First, we release the lever, then loosen the nut, then pull out the seat post. Next is to remove the whole seat post clamp. But before you do that, please pay attention on the arrangement because you will do the same thing when you install the new seat post clamp. Now let's continue to remove the nut. Now hold the lever and pull slowly going to the left. Take out slowly and catch the other parts. Here's the arrangement. First, the lever with threaded nut, then the spacer, then the hook. The hook needs to be facing up. Then the spring. The spring needs to push up the hook. Put everything aligned together. This part is a bit difficult, but once it goes in, you're almost done. Here you go. Then align to the hole. Okay. This stainless steel nut is just to hold in place the seat post clamp that you bought. You still need to use the old one to make it look nicer. If you will use this nut, your seat post clamp will look ugly. You still have to use the stock nut or the knob. Now let's go back to the next step, the grip adjustment. This one is just a trial and error. Just keep on adjusting until you get the right torque or the right grip. Still a bit tight, just loosen the nut a bit. Then try again. Now this hook is better than the one that I bought. So you can keep this one as a backup in case something goes wrong with this new one. So better keep this. Now let's try to unfold. Put down the seat post pulley. Then bring up the seat post again. Okay, now let's test and make some minor adjustment. Sounds like we need to put some lubricant or grease. Still loose, so I have to dial again to make it tight. Wow, ugly sound. But no worries, we can eliminate that easily by putting some grease. Now this is the testing of the hook, just to make sure that the hook is aligned on the latch. Okay, now here's the one that I am saying. We need to put some small amount of grease to eliminate that sound when locking up the lever. I think it's too tight, need to loosen a bit, just a bit more. Okay, I think that's it. So you see, no more sound. Okay, one more. Okay, it's okay now. We managed to eliminate that sound, that ugly sound, just by putting some small amount of grease. Now we just need to clean those excess amount. Then I think it's okay now. Next will be the final test, which is tomorrow on my bike to work. Let's see if the seat post will drop or not. Okay, here's my actual test. From home, I set to number 4. Then after 5 kilometers of ride, still number 4. No changes at all. So it's okay. Nice and cheap. Thanks for watching. Bye.